Hello everyone, my name is Tom. Today, I want to tell you about my first day at school. I was very excited. I was also a little nervous. It was a special day. I woke up early in the morning. The sun was shining brightly. The birds were singing outside my window. I opened my eyes and smiled. Today was my first day at school. My mother came into my room. She said, "Good morning, Tom. Today is your big day." I got out of bed quickly. I washed my face. I brushed my teeth. Then I put on my new school uniform. The uniform was clean and neat. I looked at myself in the mirror. I felt happy. My father was waiting in the kitchen. My mother prepared a delicious breakfast. There were eggs, bread, and milk. I ate my breakfast slowly. My parents talked to me. They told me not to worry. They said I would make many new friends. Their words made me feel better. After breakfast, I packed my school bag. Inside my bag, I had a notebook, some pencils, an eraser, a ruler, and a lunchbox. Everything was ready. Soon, it was time to leave. My father drove me to school. During the drive, I looked out the window. I saw many children wearing school uniforms. They were going to school too. When we arrived, I saw a large school building. The building looked beautiful. There were many classrooms. There was a playground. There was also a garden. Many students were walking around. Some students were talking. Some students were laughing. Some students were holding their parents' hands. I suddenly felt nervous again. My father noticed. He smiled and said, "You can do it." I took a deep breath. Then we walked to my classroom. The classroom door was open. Inside, there were many desks and chairs. Colorful pictures decorated the walls. The room looked bright and friendly. A teacher stood near the door. She greeted every student. She smiled warmly. "Good morning," she said. "My name is Mrs. Brown." I smiled and said, "Good morning." Mrs. Brown showed me my seat. I sat down quietly. Soon, other students entered the classroom. The room became busy. Everyone looked excited. Some students talked happily. Some students sat quietly like me. I looked around. I wondered who would become my friend. A boy sat beside me. He smiled. "Hello," he said. "My name is Jack." I smiled back. "My name is Tom." We shook hands. I felt less nervous. Jack seemed friendly. Soon, the school bell rang. Mrs. Brown stood at the front of the classroom. She welcomed everyone. Then she introduced herself. After that, every student introduced themselves. One by one, students stood up. They shared their names and hobbies. Some liked football. Some liked reading. Some liked drawing. When it was my turn, I stood up. I felt nervous, but I spoke clearly. "My name is Tom. I like reading books and riding my bicycle." Everyone listened politely. Then they clapped. I felt proud. The morning lessons began. We learned the alphabet. We practiced writing letters. Mrs. Brown was patient and kind. She helped every student. Whenever someone made a mistake, she encouraged them. I enjoyed the lesson. Time passed quickly. Soon, it was lunchtime. The students went to the cafeteria. I sat with Jack. We opened our lunchboxes. I had a sandwich, an apple, and some juice. Jack had rice, chicken, and fruit. We talked while eating. We shared stories about our families. We laughed together. After lunch, we went outside. The playground was full of students. Some children played soccer. Some played basketball. Some played on the swings. Jack invited me to play soccer. At first, I was shy, but then I joined the game. Everyone was friendly. We ran across the field. We kicked the ball. We had lots of fun. Soon, I forgot all my worries. School was becoming enjoyable. In the afternoon, we had an art class. The teacher gave us paper and crayons. We drew pictures. I drew my family, my mother, my father, and myself. The teacher liked my drawing. She said, "Great job, Tom." I felt happy. Later, we had a reading lesson. The teacher read a short story. The story was interesting. I listened carefully. I learned some new words. I repeated them quietly. Learning was fun. Finally, the last school bell rang. The school day was over. Students packed their bags. Everyone prepared to go home. I said goodbye to Mrs. Brown. I also said goodbye to Jack. Jack smiled and said, "See you tomorrow." I smiled and replied, "See you tomorrow." My father was waiting outside. I ran to him happily. He asked, "How was your first day?" I smiled. It was wonderful. On the way home, I told him everything. I talked about my teacher. I talked about Jack. I talked about soccer. And I talked about my classes. My father listened carefully. When we arrived home, my mother asked the same question. I told her about my amazing day. She smiled proudly. That night, I felt tired, but I also felt happy. I had learned many things. I had met new friends. I had enjoyed my first day at school. Before going to bed, I prepared my school bag for the next day. Then I climbed into bed. I closed my eyes. I thought about school. I thought about my new friend Jack. I thought about my teacher. I thought about tomorrow. I was excited to go back. My first day at school was a wonderful experience. It taught me that new things can be scary, but they can also be exciting. Sometimes we feel nervous. Sometimes we feel afraid. But if we are brave, good things can happen. That was my first day at school. Thank you for listening. See you in the next story.